Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Pennsylvania. That's right, folks, we're here in Pennsylvania. Can you believe that? Been out road tripping with the family on vacation. Haven't dropped a whole lot of videos, sorry about that. But we are here in Pennsylvania and we are visiting somebody. I am getting ready to go for a ride in Mr. Four Valves. That's right, Mr. Four Valves Mustang, that's right. Let me spin this camera, let me show you a little bit about this bad boy. Look at this beauty, huh? He sure does take good care of her. Nice and clean. Looking good. Looking real good. Oh, yeah. Good old Four Valve. Yeah, we were on our vacation, and I gave him a call when I was in Virginia, and I said, hey, brother, you mind if I swing by? We'll freaking hang out for a couple of days? He said, sure. Come on by. So, here we are, man. Check it out. We got the trucks. Yeah, we got the trucks. He should be here shortly. We'll fire this bad boy up. We'll go for a ride. Oh, yeah. Sounds good. Man, it looks so good out here. You take good care of it. Say hello to the family. Heck yeah, we hang out with Four Valve, bro. You don't see Four Valve too often, huh? That's right, we up here kicking with Four Valve. Oh, it smells good too. That shaker hood, dude, that's dope.
Yep, that is functional.
I know, it's real. People complained they didn't put it on the new Mach 1.
Yeah, I think they should have. There's a lot of character in here.
Right?
I've seen
You see the movement of the engine, that's pretty cool. Such beautiful scenery.
It is.
Mountain life. God, she sounds good.
Still cold.
Ride's good too, man. Homie in the green's like, I better get out of the way. I hear the rumble. I hear the rumble. Smile, we're gonna make you famous, brother. Good. Well, you guys, what do you think of the ride along so far, huh? Pretty sweet, huh? Heck yeah, not every day you get to hang out with one of your YouTube buddies.
Yep.
Thanks for the ride, brother. Appreciate it.
Anytime, brother. Anytime.
Oh, there he goes.
Yep.
Aw.
Just a baby.
All right, you guys, we are back. We're gonna pop the hood real quick, take a quick look at this bad boy, and then we'll end this video for you guys. Oh yeah, look at that.
More light.
Believe it or not, the camera shows a lot more than my friggin' naked eye does.
They're pretty good pulling.
Oh wow, look at that. Camber plates, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Nice.
camera plates on it.
Very nice. Looks good, dude. Ooh, excuse me. Cobra Jet. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the original engineer designed the car, wanted that on there,
Right?
and Ford told him no bueno because of the cost. They didn't want to add an extra $1 to each vehicle.
What?
Yeah. So Scott Hogue actually wanted that on there. If you actually look at the shock tower right in front there, he
Right.
signed it.
That's freaking awesome, dude.
He's the lead engineer for Ford design.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's friggin' dope, y'all. Well, you guys, I think we're going to end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed us going for a quick ride and 4 Valves ride. It's been a long, long time. I haven't been in it in a long time. I said, hey, while I'm in town, can I have a quick ride? He said, bro,
Absolutely.
jump in, let's go. So, hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, smash that subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace,
Well, have a
everybody.
good one.